Hello everyone, welcome to my channel to infinity and beyond. So in this video you will get to know how to download VS Code and Python on your system and how to start working on it. Before we get to the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For downloading VS Code on your system, you have to open any browser, Google Chrome, Safari or any browser would work. Then you have to type VS Code in the browser and open code.visualstudio.com. You have to download it on whichever operating system you have. Right now I have Mac OS, so I am downloading it on that. After that, we have to open Python on the browser and download it from python.org. Now go to python.org and download it from there. Download the latest version of Python so that you can get all the benefits. Later in this video, I will also tell you the benefits of the latest version of Python. So I have downloaded VS Code zip on my system and now I am expanding it, and here is the complete software. After downloading it, you just have to open and then do the needful steps which I will tell you. These are the key differences between Python 3 and Python 2. You can have a look on all of these. I have opened VS Code on my system. So the first thing you have to do is go to extensions and type and install it on the VS Code. Install Python as well. So these both things are installed. Thank you everyone for watching. This was a video on how to install VS Code and Python on your system. In the next video, I will tell you how to make a small code on Python using VS Code and how to run it.